again, it's the Christmas and the New Year season. I just want to show you, last time when I did a video, I actually did it like this, and I actually took that turn from that tomatoes. Can you see that? So I took a turn from there. That is also a good spot. I'm going to definitely go back, but I'm going to take you at this side of the town to show you what is going on. And so yeah, so right now Kandolim is full-fledged, everything is open, and you can see there's a lot of movement as well. And of course this video definitely I'm going to show you everything what's around, and stay till the end of the video. I'll show you what shops are open and everything, but everything is open, guys, and people are all coming in for Christmas and New Year. So all these restaurants that you see, they are all open. This is another restaurant. I mean, if you don't see people yet in it, because it's too early in the evening for them to come and dine, but yeah, they'll be out in the evening. And as you can see all the places all lit up and all, so it's pretty good. This is another place. I mean, this I would recommend everyone to come, Fisherman's Cove. It's really a good place, guys. That place also, Jambalaya, is a good place, but Fisherman's Cove I would recommend because it's right, you know, on the main road of Kandolim. Food is tasty, so you can come and try this place. And then you have a lot of other options as well. A lot of souvenir shops, guys, which are always open, so you can come down and always do your shopping. And there are a few supermarkets. So that side was Newton's. This side you'll have Delfino's as well. If anyone wants to get some nice Christmas decorations, you can come here to the shop. Anyone wants to, you know, kind of, I don't know, is that what, bikini and then some stuff inside. But yeah, I mean, compared to last year, I know this year, you know, a lot of people are talking about having less tourists and all in Goa. Well, it is definitely impacted in a way, but let's see, you know, just a few more days for Christmas and New Year. You don't know, like, it'll be like a crazy shit happening, like, you know, like it'll be like literally crowded, like literally crowded. So as I said, you know, there are a lot of restaurants and all. You can come. There's veg restaurants, non-veg restaurants that you all want to chill out in, and there's booze also in all these restaurants. So yeah. And guys, this is another place called Delfino's. I think I love this place. I would recommend more than Newton's. Not that I don't love, I mean, everyone will have their own preference, but Delfino's is definitely one stop that you all need to come, because they have really good products, and supermarket is nice, clean. I mean, I was not happy with Newton's experience, but yeah, this is my recommendation. But yeah, as you can see, we're just walking towards Kandolim. This whole stretch is Kandolim. Of course, I'll show you that place as well later on, all the shops that end, but I want to take you to this end, and I'll tell you what is at this end, guys. Okay, so stick around, guys. So guys, again, as you can see, this is again the same stretch of Kandolim, but I've come to this place called Lemon Tree. It's a very old resort, but a very trending resort as well. It's bang on the Kandolim beach, guys, as well. So I would recommend Lemon Tree. You can always Google it and check it out. Their reviews are also good. So again, you know, probably this is almost the end of the Kandolim stretch, and it actually goes on further on down, where you have the start of Sikeri and all. Sikeri meaning after Kandolim, there's this place. It's all happening. You have the Vijay Malia's Kingfisher Villa there, which is no longer Kingfisher Villa. And what else? There's Sing Club and all, everything in that area. Most of the happening clubs are in that area as well. I can probably show to you all at the end of the video, so stick around, guys. But you can see there are a lot of options to stay. Okay, I think this is Magnum Resorts. But if you can see, they have a lot of shops as well down. So come and explore. And there are some few shops which are not yet open. They are all closed in this line, but then there are some shops which are all open in this line. So you all can come down, maybe just for an evening walk. So like that. But yeah, I wonder why these shops are open or closed. Sorry. Okay, if you all want to come down, this is such a huge wine store, guys. I think you can come down to this supermarket and wine store. You can find, I mean, booze is all over the place in Goa. Wherever you buy it, guys, it's going to be the same rate. Nothing's going to be different. But yeah, this is what Kandolim has, and you can see there's so much of fucking traffic. There's too much of chaos, guys. Again, because of Christmas and New Year and all that stuff, people are coming in. So yep. And keep subscribing, liking my videos. I'm going to post more videos. You're going to see a lot of Kandolim, Kalangut and everything. Guys, again, few souvenir shops that you can see in this corner. And there are a lot of tourists also that I can see. Not a lot, but there are tourists coming in as well. And you can see this Kandolim deck. This is also actually a good place to come and chill and all. You can see a lot of foreigners just sitting and looking at all the hustle and bustle that is happening. And guys, this is a famous landmark, Acacia Hotel. This is also good in reviews and all that stuff. And so if you go straight, that is probably Sikeri, where you have Singh Hotel and a few more hotels and clubs and all that area. It's really happening. If you take a left, this goes towards Vado and Panjim and Nerul and everywhere. This has nothing much to offer. But that road, when you take a right, you see few cars coming from there. That road also goes to the Kalangut beach, guys. Walk it around. Okay. So yeah, guys. So this is that stop that you can check. But yeah, this is pretty much Kandolim. And let me take you to another side of Kandolim, guys, and I'll show you what's happening at Kandolim beach as well. Stay tuned. This is all the parking area, and I just paid like $100 for parking. So if you all want to park your cars and all, this is a safe spot. For like $100 you can park your car forever, like. And I'll be going down this way to show you all the beach and everything, whatever's happening. Okay, it's probably around 5:30 in the evening, so stay tuned till the end of the video, guys, and I will just show you what's happening and if there are shacks open and all that stuff. There's another parking spot where you can see all of these cars parked there. There's another park here, which is like, okay, you can bring your children and all to play right next to the beach. And yep, so this is the entrance to the Candolim beach, guys. And I think my upcoming videos will be all towards Arambol, Ashram, Mandrem, what is happening that side, all the nightlife, what parties are happening, guys. So immediately subscribe and I'll show you all everything in the next coming weeks. So this is what is there at the start, and then you have a lot of souvenir shops which you all can even bargain, guys. Some good coconut water. I had sugarcane juice from here during the summers, it was amazing. And then you have the shops here if you like to chew on something and all that, so you can have for sure. ले लिया भाई, ले लिया. So guys, you all can always visit tattoo studios right around the corner.
Hello sir ji, naril pani. Hello sir, naril pani bhi nahi, pani wala, malai wala.
सर बीच बेट चाहिए बैठने के लिए?
I think all these guys are standing for some boat ride and all. Water sports.
This one, see this
Very
one.
good.
उस पे नंबर भी है.
Very good. Look at this, guys.
Shivraj.
शिवराज, हाँ? इसका नाम शिवराज.
शिवराज मेरा
क्या
नाम.
है? कहाँ से डिस्काउंट?
ये डिस्काउंट है पूरा पैकेज.
पूरा पैकेज है?
पूरा पैकेज एक आदमी का.
Very good.
19
Superb. बरं असा. गोयंकार आम्ही हा. असो. Thank you. वय घालता तुमचे. So guys, I think you have got to see. He didn't know I'm from Goa, so he's just walking with me. But he just wanted to know what the rates are. But guys, this place is like insane. If you can see, there are shacks and everything opened up here, and the tide is literally high. Like it's like literally. If you look at this, the tides are crazy. Like, bare asa mare. So guys, look at this. Ain't this like so beautiful during the sunset? And there's so much of crowd. Guys, there's like literally so much crowd. Like if you can take a look, I'll just put this up. So there's like literally this side. And it's crazy insane of crowd. So yeah. I think what we can do is we'll have shacks right facing the beach, and there are people chilling out here. This is so good, and it's nice. It's nice and like cool breeze. It's not hot and humid at all, and you can see all this beach veg here. You can just go for a swim and all that stuff, and they have a lot of sports activities as well, jet skiing and parasailing. But this is what Candolim looks like here. I mean, I've shown you all Baga, and I've shown you all how Candolim also looks like. This is crazy. So if you all like the crowd, if you all want to come have a good time, I think you need to come to Candolim as well, guys, because North Goa is really beautiful. If you see, there's a lot of high tide coming in. And that's why, you know, I mean, for me, I like something where I want to like be in the low tide and all, like Ashram, Murchim and all. They're just nice, peaceful waters. But yeah, there's so many shacks. Like, if you look at the shack here, boat shack, and right shacks near the beach, guys, and they're all setting it up. If you can see, they're all setting it up now for the evening dinner. And obviously during Christmas and New Year, so it's going to be next level crazy. So yeah, this is how it looks. We'll go down a little just to get a little view. But if you see, a lot of people, guys. I mean, of course you'll have a lot of British tourists as well in the morning and all that, but if you see, again, a lot of shacks. Say hi. So they are feeling shy, guys, but again, if you see, again, shacks, beach, I mean, this is like crazy, yaar. And yeah, a lot of Indians, but of course, guys, you know, come, have fun, have a good time. And there's another shack here. There's so many shacks, and it's so good, it's so beautiful. I mean, I'm just walking in between. Like, if you take a look, this is crazy, right? But look at all this. It's just so good, yeah. And it goes right all till that end. So this is obviously Kandolim, okay, and then I think you touch Kalangut, Baga. That's a whole stretch. That whole area is Baga, actually. So you can see they are all setting this up, these beach beds and all right now. Oh man, and it's just so nice. The weather is amazing. So people who are coming down in December, Jan, please do. It's crazy. And I'll just walk behind, guys. If you see, this is just a beautiful walk in the evening. And I think after I shoot my video and everything, guys, I'm gonna sip on some nice beer and have a good chill time in Kandolim. But yeah, if you need to know more what is happening in December, during Christmas, during New Year, stick around and I'll show you what's happening. Now I'll be going to Arambol and Ashram and everything, and I'll show you in and around what's that side. And yeah, guys, I hope you all had a good time. Okay, thanks. So yeah, so that's about it, guys. I don't want to walk more further down, but I think it's just a beautiful. Just look at this here. This is crazy, man. I just love Goa. Guys, if you all love Goa, do give a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel and let me hit that 1000 mark, guys. Even if you all view the video, I'm highly appreciated, guys. But thanks a lot. So that side, if I keep walking, will be Baga, Kalangut first, of course, and then Baga right at the very end. But this whole stretch is so beautiful. Alright, guys, so see you in my next video and stick around. Okay.